League, Spirons Cup. And of course, first possession here is para dito sa panig ng Cafe France. Ang mga naka-asul Cafe France Bakers laban dito sa MP Hotel Warriors na mga nakaputi. And kagaya nga ng binabanggit ko kanina, Barry, Cafe France is ang kumbaga bumubuo nito school-based nga ito, Centro Escolar University.
Right, karamihan ng mga manlalaro niyan sa CEU, which is handled by Coach Egay Macaraya.
Oo, a familiar name in basketball, Egay Macaraya. Para naman dito sa panig ng MP Hotel Warriors, Arvin Bonleon.
Alam mo, they have something in common. Ito si Egay Macaraya at si Arvin Bonleon. They both played college ball for San Sebastian.
For San Sebastian.
Yeah. Hindi nga lang siguro sila nag-abot dun
Pero sabi nga natin sa mundo ng basketball, bilog lang talaga yan, nakikita rin. Alright, so it's the first basket registered para sa 5th season ng PBA D-League. At nandyan po si Epondo, actually, who made those 2 free throws for Cafe France.
Alam mo, dahil itong Cafe France, last conference pa itong magandang performance, it just narrowly missed the cut itong Cafe France. Pero ngayon, wala na nga yung NLEX, wala yung Blackwater. This is the founding member. Sasabihin ko sa Egay Macaraya, alam ka namang hindi pa kami makasungkit dito.
Oo nga Kumbaga dito, siguradong merong magiging bagong champion.
Yan, sigurado.
Yun di ba? Collado scoring para sa MP Hotel Warriors at that's actually the first field goal para dito sa ating opening game. As we see this piece of action. Naglalakihan din itong mga players na ito, ano? Look at them really close to that rim when they do their attack, except for that one as Ebondo lost his touch dun sa basketball there. It's a turnover. 2-all here in the first period.
Opening the jitters ba yan?
Oo, pwedeng ganun Medyo nanginginig pa ng konti. Mamaya nang gigigil na yan.
Matagal ding nabakante ito Kung yung PBA halos 4 na buwan, mas matagal to
Kaya nga. Samantala, ito Cafe France. And it's made it a 2-point lead for them. Also their first field goal. Their first basket by Ibondo earlier, 2 free throws made. MP Hotel Warriors, sino yung mga players na dapat natin pagmasdan dito, Barry, or talagang panoorin at tutukan? And so far, nakikita natin dito sa MP Hotel Warriors, talagang atake.
Well, hindi naman natin pwedeng maliitin itong MP Hotel, no? Kaya sabihin natin from the province, ang karamihan mga players na ito, iba naman, yung mga stars naman sila sa pinanggalingan nila Para dito sa Cafe France, of course, Ebondo at si Ebondo, these are the foreigners itong team na to na nagagamit naman na sa school league.
Yes, that's right.
Tapos nakuha nila si Mishi was drafted.
Spinning attack to the basket using the glass. Ebondo scores for Cafe France. And very productive here in the opening minutes.
Well, he should be. Sa mga inaasahan to ng kupunan niya
Let's see, itong MP Hotel Warriors, talagang dun sila sa maliit. First miss actually.
But they will keep ball possession. Tinatanong mo, dun sa Cafe France, meron sa mga naidagdag dyan, like Yutien Andrada, is from Lasal, malaki yan. At dati na lang player si Jameson Cortez na galing sa Letran College.
Look at this ball movement for Cafe France. It's a foul underneath. It's called against the MP Hotel Warriors. Murillo. And shooting free throws once more. Ito Cafe France, they lead 6-4.
Well, kung cohesion yung pag-uusapan dyan, of course, nakakalamang ito Cafe France. Dahil nga buo naman itong team na ito Dinagdagan lang ng ilang mga manlalaro
At sabi sa'yo dito sa PBA D-League, well, just like that, a reverse 3-point play nangyari rito para sa panig ng Cafe France. A miss of the second free throw, but a putback So now it's 9-4. Look at this sticky defense. Nasa backcourt pa itong MP Hotel Warriors.
And there's a turnover. So may palitan kaagad na meron na.
Well, you made mention of the cohesion itong Cafe France, both in offense and defense. And they've shown that, forcing a turnover. Laban rito sa team ni Manny Pacquiao.
Well, hindi rin naman natin masabi kung bago lang bang naiporma itong team ni Manny Pacquiao. Matagal na dahil itong MP Hotel, I believe, lumalaban naman sa mga ibang tournaments eh.
Mister, do it!
Game starting off with the MP Hotel Warriors. Now, sabi nga sa akin ni Coach Arvin Bonleon, kanina team was only formed a month ago. But despite that fact, hindi naman daw sila baguhan sa larangan ito dahil karamihan din sa kanilang mga manlalaro ay naglalaro na rin para sa ilang commissioners game sa Davao and also in General Santos City. There is no pressure coming into this ball game, but they have to take it one game at a time. The most important thing is that they have to trust each other at yung teamwork nila dahil hindi pa daw nila alam kung mag-gel ang team nila dahil 1 month pa lang sila nakapag-ensayo. Now for today's ball game, they will try to bank on the Manila-based players. Nandyan sina George Allen, Russell Yaya at si Jonathan Vilorio. Balik sa inyo dyan, Benji and Barry.
Alright, thank you very much, Rina. At least nasagot na yung tanong natin. Tinatanong mo kanina, Barry, kung gaano katagal na na-form itong team ng MP Hotel Warriors. So, 1 month. 1 month to gel, to have chemistry. But of course,
sapat na ba yun?
Yun nga eh. Yun ang pinapatunayan ng Cafe France. Not enough.
Oo eh. Dahil itong Cafe France, intact ito eh. Dalagdagan lang ng mga ibang manlalaro from the NCAA and UAAP. Pero basically, yung nucleus ito is lumalahok doon sa liga nila.
Ebondo showing us the different facets of his ball game. Offense, nagkiklik. Defense, nakita natin yung shot block. And right now, they control the boards. 1 shot at a time ang binibigay nitong Cafe France dito sa MP Hotel Warriors.
6 points in the ball game para dito kay Ebondo. At kanina yung kumuha ng rebounds, Jameson Cortez yun.
Right now, they try to go inside. Ball knocked out about 6 seconds na lamang a shot clock for Cafe France.
Alam mo, kaiba to sa PBA eh. Kapag tinignan mo, ito, napakabilis na itong game na to eh.
Exactly. 10 minutes lang tayo per quarter. At saka, alam na natin, syempre, mas marami mga mas bata na players nito.
Kaya takbuhan ng
takbuhan. Eh.
$14-4, yan ang ating score. 10-point lead for Cafe France.
Ito number 11, si Rodney Samboy Dalion.
Pag Samboy ba? Rodney ang pangalan? Abilino, hindi ba?
Marami na to. Halo-halo na ito. Most probably, maraming idol ang mga magulang nito.
Bagay.
Sa PBA, pinaghalo-halo na yung pangalan ng kanilang anak. Look at that. Grabe ang hawakan. Grabe ang tulakan. And a double foul. So that will mean
a jump ball
at center court. That was Coach Agay Macaraya on your screens earlier on. At eto nga, ang jump ball after a double foul. So here we go. It's still ball possession here for the blue shirts of Cafe France Bakers. And they lead by 10.
Nice.
Look at that. Give and go. Kabisado ang galaw ng bawat isa.
Mishi. Yan nga ang first round pick nitong Cafe France. Phil point guard. And he completes a 3-point play. Alam mo yung mga Phil-Am sa mga Phil-Foreigners, dito muna naglalaro eh.
Kaya nga.
Para makatungtong sa PBA.
That's right.
At least i-scout sila dito eh.
They have to at least play 2 conferences sa D-League before they could apply for the draft. A miss by the MP Hotel Warriors. And on the attack na naman ang Cafe France. Sabi ko nga, isang tira lang ang binibigay nitong blue shirts.
Ang lalaki. Ang lalaki nitong Bakers eh.
Shot from the outside. It's too long. Somebody's down on the floor. Ebondo as he picks himself up. The attack continues here for the MP Hotel Warriors. Oh!
Well, he was already wide open for that kasi wala na nga hindi nakababa si Ebondo eh.
Still going for that long bomb. Bang! It's a three.
And Ahamishi, after converting a 3-point play kanina, ngayon 3-point shot naman, namamagana itong kalabangan ng Cafe France. 16 points.
I like his first name, Maverick. Ahamishi, huh?
From Dallas. Hindi naman from Dallas yun, ha? Pero madalas ang kanyang pagtira dito.
And of course, the PBA D-League is brought to you by SOS, your complete skincare solution. Sampulan nga yun, man.
Madami, no?
Complete.
Yeah.
Yun, complete yun eh, di ba?
Anong mga products?
May lip balm, may face powder, may moisturizer.
Pwede sa atin yun.
Pwede.
Moisturizer. Lip balm, pwede sa atin yun eh.
Pwede. At ito, pero parang sinasabi ng Cafe France sa NP Hotel, sapuan na kayo eh. Pwede na ba kayo? They're on top by 16.
24, yan ang ating score. At patuloy na madadagdagan yan dahil nasa free throw line sa Cafe France Baker.
Si Bon Alvin Abundo. And checking in, itong si Yuten Andrada sa panig ng Cafe France.
From LaSalle.
Yun na, yung sinasabi mo, yung kanilang new mix.
Kaya nga. Actually, in the past, itong Cafe France, lahat ng malalaki na mapuwak, kinuha nito eh.
Oo nga. Namamagana here in the first quarter. Itong naman ang Cafe France 22-4. And take coffee trim with Garcinia, your coffee beverage with herbal ingredient.
And finally, a basket para sa MP Hotel. Ang tagal na lang natahimik. Oh, eh.
It's 22-6 with 3.5 remaining. It's starting first period. This is Ahamishi. Shot from the outside, a short. MP Hotel Warrior.
Baka naman itong MP Hotel feeling out pa lang itong quarter na ito eh.
Ganun ba yun?
So, pwede makabawi pa ito.
They completely missed that hoop dun sa kanilang huling opensiba. Ahamishi from the outside, bang again!
Well, he is an outside shooter. That's the second 3-point shot that he made in this quarter.
And now it's 25-6, a big 19-point lead for Cafe France Bakers. MP Hotel Warrior, what kind of adjustment na kailangan nila rito? Parang mahilig sila sa one-on-one plays, just like that.
Well, that shows you na kulang pa ng familiarity itong mga players na ito eh. Hindi makukuha ng isang buwan yun eh. Na alam mo na yung kilos ng kakampi mo eh. Aga na napunta sa penalty, so titira na ng free throws.
The lead is 19 for Cafe France, dominating here in the first quarter. We go into a timeout. Totally in control of Cafe France. Laban dito sa MP Hotel, 25-6. Missed from the first free throw. But they have shot a lot of free throws at the planning ng Cafe France.
8 out of 12 para sa Cafe France. That's a high 67%. Samantalang 3 out of 15 naman para din sa panig ng MP Hotel. That's only 20%.
And another turnover here. A loosable foul is going to be called against one of the players itong MP Hotel Warriors. There you can see, there's got to be a look of concern.
Ang aga nilang pumasok ng penalty, no? Lampas 3 minuto pa lang ang nakakalipas, nasa penalty na sila. So, lahat ng fouls na ibibigay nila may free throws na.
John Michael Noble making both free throws and extending their lead right now, 27-6 with just over 2 minutes remaining dito sa ating first quarter. We're trying to quicken the pace. The PBA D-League is brought to you by SOS, your complete skincare solution. Finally, a basket. Hindi hindi magkasunod-sunod para sa MP Hotel Warriors.
Kaya ngayon, manaka-naka no? Quite in between ng mga baskets ng Warriors.
That time a double teaming defense pero hindi pa rin makontrol yung bola. It still stays with the blue shirts. And you gotta take coffee trim with Garcinia, your coffee beverage with herbal ingredient.
Of course, itong MP Hotel dapat dumepensa rin muna. You have to stop itong Cafe France. But how do you do that? That's a good example. The offense will follow later kung the cohesion is there.
And they're wild with those shots kasi nga hindi umiikot ng gusto rin yung bola para rito sa MP Warriors. Parang nangangapa nga sila. Sino ba bibigyan ko rito? Sino ba magde-deliver talaga sa amin?
Kasi nga hindi nila kilala isa't isa dito
And of course, we also would like to remind yung ating mga televiewers, yung sumusubaybay na ng PBA D-League about our format also, Gary. We have 12 teams, pero one round lang yung ating eliminations, di ba?
Well, 11. Parang PBA din yun.
Yes.
One round ang elimination. 11 games per team. Ang problema lang dito yung bottom 6. Kalahati ka agad ang matatapyas after the elimination round.
Exactly, Rashawn McCarthy on the drive and picking up a foul from one of the blue shirts. At ngayon titira siya ng dalawang free throws.
Another fill-out picked from the draft.
Nasa 8 puntos pa lang ang MP Hotel.
At patapos na ito ang first quarter with 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining.
Largang-larga naman ang Cafe France Bakers. For Charities, Rashawn McCarthy, 27-9. Kick ball. At saka maganda pa rito sa PBA D-League just because sabi nga natin parang hinahasa mo para mag-mature itong mga bata na to para maging ready na sa PBA. They're also applying PBA rules in here, di ba?
Of course. Kumbaga sila ay natututo na sa nakagad
Exactly.
Dito pa lang. Para kung sakali makapanik sila sa PBA, hindi na sa lilito. Hindi na sa liligaw.
How do you like that? Maamo pa ang bola para rito sa Cafe France. 8 seconds of shot clock. Overshooting a long bomb.
Hindi man pumasok naiiwan sa kanilang bola dito
Catch and shoot. How about that from the inbound? Scoring na agad.
Para bang time pressure sila 8 seconds pa naman yung natitira. Naagaw pa yung bola, hindi nakatawid ng midcourt.
You gotta give it to Cafe France who really waxed hot agad. Sa pagsisimula pala, the opening buzzer. They dictated the tempo. At one of those rare chances that the ball gets turned over. They have the numbers ng MP Hotel Warriors. Pero sabi ko nga, one-on-one plays.
Kasi hindi niya pinasa sa kakampi niya. Pwede naman ibigay kay McCarthy.
3-on-2 di ba?
Right.
Right now they'll settle for a half-court offense. And nothing there from the outside. One of those rare chances they get an offensive rebound. McCarthy underneath, losing it. Quick hands to the part of Andrada. May oras pa, 3 seconds remaining. Look at
Nice
this.
pass.
That's why you call team here for Cafe France.
Alam
this
nila
quarter,
patapos na
almost over. Big game so far, big lead for the blue shirts, Cafe France. Scoring at will, almost 31-9 against the MP Hotel Warriors to end the first 10 minutes of play.